Hi there. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Bovada to Cash App. We'll go step by step so you can easily move your funds without any confusion. First, open your Cash App and navigate to the home screen. Tap on your balance, then scroll to find the Bitcoin option. This is where you'll manage everything related to your Bitcoin wallet. Now, scroll down to locate your Bitcoin address. Tap the Copy button to copy it exactly as shown. Make sure every character matches. This address is what ensures your funds are sent to the right place. Next, open your browser and log in to your Bovada account. Once you're in, go to the Withdrawal section. From there, choose Bitcoin as your withdrawal method. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Bovada will automatically display the fees and any limits associated with the transaction, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Now, paste the Bitcoin address you copied from Cash App into the withdrawal address field on Bovada. Double-check it carefully to avoid sending funds to the wrong wallet. After that, proceed with the withdrawal. Bovada will send a verification code to your registered mobile number. Enter the code to confirm and approve your withdrawal request. Once the transaction is confirmed, you'll need to wait about 2 to 3 business days for the Bitcoin to arrive in your Cash App wallet. When it appears in Cash App, you can either keep it as Bitcoin or swap it to dollars right inside the app, whichever suits your preference. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Bitcoin from Bovada to Cash App. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.